Assalamu alaikum students. Unit number 4, Algebraic expression and formulas. It's exercise 4.3. We will finish today by solving its fourth part. The fourth part is question number 4. See it on the book. It is actually my tripod not letting it to show. You can see it now. Simplify question number 4. Its first part is 3 plus square root 3 into 3 minus square root 3. And the next ALP question is the fourth part. Square root 2 plus 1 over square root 3 into square root 2 minus 1 over square root 3. And the fifth part, square root x plus square root y into square root x minus square root y into x plus y into x square plus y square. So let's solve it. And the first part is 3 plus square root 3 into 3 minus square root 3. So students, see, it is similar as a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. In this identity we have a plus b. It means if they are the similar terms, they can be recognized as a, and they are the similar terms, they can recognize as b. So using this identity a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square, we can write it as 3 whole square minus square root 3 whole square. 3 square is 9 and square cancel with the square root sign. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So this is a very simple part, and this formula a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square we will frequently use, but we use only this formula to solve the fourth and fifth part in question number 4. Now the fourth part will have to take the LCM, so I'm solving this on the next page. Square root 2 plus 1 over square root 3 into square root 2, sorry, it was not on the line, minus 1 over square root 3. See it again, a plus b into a minus b. Again in the solution we write as a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. So here again it is a and this one is b. It is a square means square root 2 whole square plus minus minus 1 over square root 3 and its whole square. A plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. 2 cancel with the square root sign, it become 2. Square of 1 is 1 and square cancel with the square root sign, it will be 1 by 3. Now we have a number in the rational number, 1 by 3 in the form of fraction. So 2 multiplied by 3 taking LCM, 6 minus 1 over 3. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 over 3. Now the last part of this exercise is a bit different, but we will use the same rule and laws and identity here. Square root x, it is fifth part, square root x plus square root y into square root x minus square root of y into x plus y into x square plus y square. Solution. So you can see again a plus b into a minus b, as a plus b into a minus b is equal to a की 2 minus b power 2. So apply it on the first two term, a plus b into a minus b, square root x whole square minus square root of y whole square, and the next terms x plus y into x square plus y square will remain as it is. We will not apply anything to it, just applying the formula on the first two terms, writing the equal sign, square cancel with the square root, it will become x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square. Again you may notice a minus b into a plus b. Again of the formula, it will become x square minus y square and x square plus y square as it is. It becomes x square minus y square into x square plus y square. Again you can see a minus b into a plus b. This time it will be a its square minus b and its square. Answer x4 minus y4. So this is the exercise number 4.3 for you. It was very easy question, and especially while we are solving the ALP smart syllabus question, they are very so much simple, and the working almost if there are 100% question, we have to just solve 30% out of it. So very easy chance for you, very easy way for you to get marks in the examination if you do there are few questions of every exercise. Now let's have some theory about chapter number 4, rationalization of surds. A surd which contain, can you see it? Okay, let's zoom it. A surd which contain a single term is called monomial surd. It is a definition, student marked it. A surd which a surd contain a single term is called a monomial surd, e.g. square root 2 comma square root 3 etc. So the first point is the first definition. You should underline and highlight these things. A surd which contain, the point number 2 I am reading now, a surd which contains sum of two monomial surd or sum of a monomial surd and a rational number is called a binomial surd, e.g. square root 3 plus square root 7 or square root 2 plus 5 or square root 11 minus 8 is called binomial surd. So the definition of binomial surd, very simple, very easy from its wording. The third point, we can extend this to the definition of a trinomial, as for monomial it was one term, for binomial there are two terms. Similarly for a trinomial there would be three terms. If the product of two surd is a rational number, then each surd is called the rationalization factor of other. Underline these. The process of multiplying a given surd by its rationalizing factor to get a rational number as a product is called rationalization of this expression. I will explain you in the exercise when we will start this. And rationalization, it means our main topic in exercise number 4.4 is the rationalization. And how do we rationalize a number, a surd? You have already familiar with the rationalization of the complex number, where you take the conjugate and multiply and divide it with but in exercise when we are discussing about surds, there will be a conjugate also. Conjugate will be if it is a square root a plus square root b, then its conjugate will be like this. The first term will remain same and will change the sign of second. They are called the conjugate. The conjugate of x plus square root y is x minus square root y. The product of the conjugates are square root a plus square root b and square root a minus square root b is equal to a minus b. So more concept using the algebraic identities will be in exercise number 4.4. We will start in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.